Hi friends, I'm Beth and I'm back with another episode of How I'm Doing It. Today I want to show you we finally got the kitchen finished. It has been a long wait, but it's been well worth the wait, and I wanted to show you how it looks now. So going around the kitchen here, back door to the deck, refrigerator, dishwasher, sink, cabinetry, island, microwave and built-in oven, and then range top and hood, and all my little appliances and doodads around. So it has been a very long journey, but I'm happy with it. We were able to keep a few things. We were able to keep this stone backsplash here and my appliances, with the exception of we did have to replace the dishwasher over here, but that makes sense because it was right up here where the major leak, well, it wasn't even a leak, it was a flood. It was here where the flood came down, right on top of this area here where the dishwasher is. Also, I did change out the sink. It had been a double sink, and now I've got a big, huge single sink, and I love it. One of my main motivations for this is I want to be able to put a cookie sheet or put a baking pan in here and wash it all at once instead of having to wash half of it in the water, turn it upside down, wash the other half. I really love the ability to spread out in here. So that has been very nice. I kept the lights. For some reason, the lights did work. This one has burned out, but that's just life. So the lights are working. I've got the colors seem to come together, and this color on the wall, it can look kind of green, kind of blue, kind of gray, depending on how the light hits it, what time of the day. It'll be interesting to see what it looks like when it comes out on this YouTube video. But anyway, it just really has worked out well, and I really like the flooring. The flooring is I forget what the official word is, but it's a high-level vinyl. Basically, it's a really super thick, durable, water-resistant vinyl, and it has already been put to good use. I have already had, with children and animals and things, we have already had some liquid hit the floor. We've had some drinks and whatnot hit the floor. So it has been nice to be able to just go through and soak that up pretty quickly with no big consequence. And so, it just finally all came together. And I wanted to show everyone that we're finally back to normal. We got the ceiling rebuilt here, the pattern matched back in, and all of this. So it has finally come back together, and it has been wonderful. So thank you everyone for sticking with me through this journey, and I hope that you've enjoyed watching the process go from tragedy and disaster to something amazing and cool and beautiful and new. All right, that's how I'm doing it. A little PS I wanted to add is that if you ever have the opportunity to make some changes in your kitchen, you might want to think about some of these pull-out shelves. Used to, under this island, when I would put my pots and pans and lids under here, they would kind of get lost in the dark. Even if you put little lights on there, you still have to bend over and dig for them, especially on the bottom shelf. Now, I've got these little drawers that pull in and out, and it's just so handy. So now there's no more digging down there on your hands and knees looking for something. So that has been really handy. And then also we've got with these quiet cabinet doors. You just close them like that, and then they slowly, quietly close on their own. So there's no more slamming doors, and there's no more cabinets left open. Oh my God. Okay, so day one of our kitchen demo as we get ready to rebuild into a new kitchen.